guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Meghna Menon, and if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also the bell icon right beside it so you get notified every time I post a new video. I hope all of you are staying at home and staying safe. There's a lot going on in the world and you should do your bit by staying at home, guys. I was scrolling through my TikTok. By the way, yeah, I am on TikTok. If you guys want to follow me there, I'll give the link in the bio. Check that out. I'm just putting it out there, not forcing you guys. So yeah, I was going through my TikTok and I found these intriguing photos, which is a trend right now of self photography because obviously all of us are quarantined, and it looked really good, guys. I mean, the tips and the hacks looked really easy, but the photos look really professional or really like aesthetic. So I was like, I really wanted to try it out. So that is what our video is about. We're gonna try these hacks out and give it a it worked yay or didn't work blah kind of thing, like yay or nay thing that people do. So yeah, without more blabbering, let's just get into the video. So for the first one, this is what they were doing. So basically you go out in the sun, in the blazing sun, and you put like a dupatta or a lace cloth on top of your head and you click a picture from kind of inside it. So the rays of sun cast the shadow of the lace on your face and it looks like really aesthetic and pretty and gives this bohemian vibes, and I was like, wow, that looks too easy to look that way. So I tried it out. Like you can see, it is quite surprisingly good. I mean, it's such a simple idea that obviously if you put something on your head, the sun is gonna leave a shadow on your face, but no one thought of it. This was super easy. You guys should definitely try this out. I'll give this a 10 on 10. Super easy, super doable, super pretty looking. So the next one is this. So basically I saw this idea on Mr. MNV's channel and it looked very interesting, very different, and obviously all of us have these snacks wrappers in our house because we are just binge watching and binge eating. So we obviously have a lot of wrappers and you can make that into a backdrop. That sounded really cool to me and I tried it out and it wasn't that bad. It was a little difficult because you have to figure out how to pose in front of basically wrappers, but you know, you can definitely try it out. So I would give it a 9 out of 10, just 1 mark less because you know it will be a little weird posing in front of wrappers, but you can definitely try it out. So this is the next one. This is I'm pretty sure you must have seen it on your Instagram search page too. This is trending like crazy. So it is this newspaper background. Basically what people are doing is they're putting this to the corner of the room, so they have 2 walls, but I did not have that much space anyway, so I stuck it to basically not even a wall or cupboard, but hey, I gotta do what you gotta do, okay? So I stuck this and this is how it looks, and these are my photos. Yeah, like you can see, I really like the photos. They look really good, they look really interesting, really different, and on a basis of how difficult they are to attain, I would say it is a little difficult because you do have to stick a lot of papers on the wall and on the floor. Posing in front of it is quite easy, to be honest. You just can get a newspaper and read it, but getting the setup is a little difficult, so I would say an 8 on 10. But these pictures were so good, I was really impressed, and I would suggest you guys to try it out if you have a lot of time, but it can get a little tedious. So for the next picture, by the way guys, all of these photos plus more of them are on my Instagram, so you guys can definitely check me out on my Instagram and follow me there because I'll be posting more of such content over there. I post a lot of like weird videos on my stories, so you guys should definitely follow me on my Instagram. I'll give my username here somewhere. So yeah, for the next picture, I saw this on TikTok by this user over here, full credits to her. So basically she was posing in front of her TV and getting this neon effect, and I tried it out, okay? I really struggled because it just wasn't happening. I mean, I don't know how her pictures look so damn good. I think I know because I can't edit. Neither did I have a DSLR for shooting it. It just looked so weird according to me. But then I had an idea of my own. I was like, why do I have to click neon? Anyways, I'm not even a fan of neon. So I wanted to do something I liked, and that was like galaxy. So I was like, maybe this can be attained, so I put on some galaxy background. Then I really felt like this worked because, like you can see, here are the pictures. Yeah, this does look cool, right? I mean, I personally like these better than the neon pictures, and this does give a vibe of my own personality rather than the neon did, and I really like this one. On a difficulty level, I would say this was quite difficult because it was difficult to figure out how to get the neon light to fall on your face or for the light effect. Basically, you had to have no lighting on the background but had to have some lighting so that your photo is not black. It was a little bit of work, guys. But if you do want to have neon or whatever background and you do have the time and patience for it, you should definitely check it out because basically you have a TV, you don't need much, you don't need like any other prop, you just need a camera. It's easy to do it, but it is a little time consuming. You need patience, so I would say definitely go for it. I would give it a 9 on 10. So for the next idea, I personally saw this video on NT's video. Here she basically stuck the phone onto her roof and put her camera on self timer and clicked her picture when she was lying down on the bed, and I thought that was super weird, but her photos looked really great, man. So I really wanted to try it out, so I did. It was a little tiring because bed and a stool on top of a bed wasn't working well for me, but I stuck it on the roof, and I was a little bit scared that it would fall on my face, but thankfully it didn't. And this is how the photo came. Now personally, this is my least favorite photo. I do not really like it that much. I don't know why it didn't look that high to me or like give me that angle that I was expecting it to. Maybe because my roof isn't that high, I don't know what happened. However, I'll be trying it out in my living room later on, where the roof and the flooring are more distance between, they have more distance between them. But for now, I don't really like this, and it was quite a difficult task, so I would not really recommend it. So with that, we've come to the end of our video. I hope you guys like this video. Let me know what was your favorite photo in the comment section below. You guys can definitely try this out. It was easy, and you can have a self photo shoot at home. Feel a little good about yourself. Quarantine is getting everyone down, you know. Might help you cheer you up. So yeah, definitely try it out. Tag me if you do try it out, and follow me on my Instagram to see the rest of the photos. And yeah, let me know what you guys would like to see on my channel, since especially we can't be dancing much these days, so I would like to try new stuff. And so yeah, let me know what you guys would like to see on my channel, and I will see you guys next time. Bye bye.